It's hard to believe I'm walking on the most beautiful college campus in North America, because I'm not. That's Mount Holyoke, and this is Lewis and Clark, the 9th runner-up and definitive ugly duckling. In 2 weeks' time, Lewis and Clark College will be hosting the 64th Annual International Affairs Symposium, a 3-day event covering the global rise in authoritarianism. I'm here to investigate the International Affairs Department faculty to see who's behind the sudden interest in dictators. Good afternoon, Kyle.
Good afternoon.
Thanks for agreeing to do this.
Happy to be here.
Getting into our first question. International relations is the study of how countries band together to brave the wilderness of politics. Would you agree?
Yeah, I would say international politics is the study of the cooperation and conflict that takes place on the world stage between countries.
It's a bit like otters, don't you think? Holding hands to not float away while they're sleeping.
Sure.
Do you hold hands while sleeping, or do you prefer to go it alone?
What does this have to do with me?
A theme of this year's symposium is democratic backsliding. Can you explain to us what that is and what it has to do with playgrounds?
I think I can answer the first part of that. Democratic backsliding happens when you've got a modern liberal democracy that slowly recedes into authoritarianism.
So where does the slide tie in? You know, like slides, you go down them sometimes on your back. Do they do this as like sort of like a ritual?
Not to my understanding.
Sounds like you've thought a lot about this. Like a suspicious amount?
I'm a professor.
How would you describe your leadership style?
I think non-authoritarian. How about that?
And you have a book.
I do have a book.
Another common trait, no?
Common trait of a professor? Yes, professors have books. We write books.
Well, I thumbed it. Is it a manifesto?
You thumbed it? You're in my class. I assigned the book. You were supposed to read the whole thing. What was the question?
Is it a manifesto?
No, it makes an argument about world history. It's not at all a manifesto.
You assign it in your classes. I find that a little suspicious, like maybe you're trying to influence the future leaders of America.
No!
You have an event coming up, no?
The International Affairs Symposium.
So what exactly will you be doing?
Hosting a podcast on international organizations and democratic backsliding.
Wow.
Are you shaking your head at me?
Really trying to get your message out there, aren't you? How would you respond to the student opposition groups that have been calling you an autocrat?
I'm sorry, did you say otter?
Yes, autocrat.
I'm closer to being an otter than I am to being a dictator.
Are you sure?
It's not about me, it's about the students that have organized
Do you think you could beat me in a
this.
feat of strength?
I'm feeling increasingly like beating you in a feat of strength, yes.
Should we?
I've